Yo! I had the Honda felt goo on my window because the felt came apart and it got glue on my window, and then this thing started skipping on me last year, and now it's so bad my window won't go all the way up. So I got to replace the regulator. Phillips screw. Phillips screw. Phillips screw. Phillips screw. Missing Phillips screw. Unplug gizmo. Lift up back. Slide front forward. Oh, I'm going to take the speaker out. Phillips screw. Squeeze and pull. Okay, slide forward. Take panel out. Gee, I think somebody's been in here before. That's a strange possibility from the looks of it. Duct tape. Somebody likes duct tape. Probably me. Phillips screw. Phillips screw. So far, the tools you need for this are some brains and Phillips screw. I'm going to try to save the rest of this classic piece of plastic. Just gradually peel it with a razor blade. That should be out of my way enough, I think so, maybe. Turn key on. And I should roll this down until I see a couple bolts and a couple of access holes somewhere here. Where are they? Okay, there's one right here and one right here. 10 millimeters. I'm going to put a couple of wedgies in the window here. Hopefully that'll keep it from falling. I don't want to put them in too tight. Unplug this, the motor. There are a couple of irritating plugs I'm probably going to end up breaking. I really don't want to break these. Oh, they didn't break. They're flexible enough. Nice, I can reuse that. Wow. Most other car manufacturers that use this type of stuff, they just snap because they're really brittle. So that's a wire for the power window. These two, I don't think I have to take off all the way. 1, 2, 3, 4. And these two and these two. Okay. Yeah, right. These gotta come out. Maybe if the window wasn't in the way, I could use them. Funny little holes. Yeah, this window's in my way. I gotta pull this up. Out the hole it goes. I was thinking I was gonna see some stripped out gears or something. Oh yeah, they are. See them teeth? They're a little wore out. Them are a little funky. I just kind of put both of these in about the same spot. So hopefully this will just end up in the same place. And looks like there's Torx bits on here. Looks like I got a T20 Torx on this. Ow. Yeah, there's some sharp stuff on there. It just poked my finger. Just going to screw these in a little at a time. Try not to get them too tight. That should be where the other one was when I took it out. In the hole. You notice how I'm holding onto the ratchet here. I'm not bearing down on the back side because I don't want to tighten these too tight. So whenever you're holding a ratchet, the farther you go in, the less torque you're going to produce. And if I'm way out here, I'll be over torquing it. So I just hang on to it right there, and that's about the right torque. I suppose that's one way mechanics. That's one way good mechanics can get a feel for the amount of torque they're putting on something. I gotta go down with this just a little bit more. I'm gonna leave this bolt loose just in case I have to make an adjustment. Try to get this window to go down straight without falling off the track. The original track, this bolt was way down at the bottom of this slot. Now it wants to stay on the top, so I'm going to leave it there. And it works a lot better than it ever did. It's a little easier putting this door panel on with the window down. It's all good. Okay, bye.